Welcome back, Financial Issues. I'm Dan Celia. You know, we talk every day about Christian Community Credit Union, how important it is for us to be involved with a credit union that has a biblical worldview, that is honoring the Lord with what they're doing. And Jeremy Brown is the Ministry Development Officer there, and he is working with churches, ministries like Financial Issues that are looking to expand. Most banks, if I'm right about this, really don't understand the whole underwriting a church.
It's funny you say it that way, Dan, because the credit union was founded on that concept by a small group of American Baptist pastors who were going to their banks and seeking loans for themselves, and they were being turned away 60 years ago.
You're holding those loans? You're not selling them off?
We're a direct lender. We don't sell them off. We hold the right to participate some of our large loans, but I can tell you right now, the credit union has plenty of money, and we're just waiting for churches to come along that are looking to borrow money.
So many churches right now, we are seeing expanding and growing. Christian Community Credit Union is going to understand what their needs are and understand how to finance that.
Yeah, and we're seeing the same things that you're talking about. A lot of the financials that come in show churches that are doing very, very well. You know, revenue is up, tithes and offerings are up, and we're excited about helping these people out when they need it.
So you guys, you do other things.
We do everything that a bank does: checking, savings, money market accounts, loans, lines of credits, credit cards, and everything like that. But the goal at the end of the day isn't let's keep our shareholders happy by, making the stock rise. Our goal at the end of the day is to take care of these people, our Christian community, if you will, make sure that the services that we're providing are exactly what they need, and keeping money in the kingdom.
So there's a church listening right now somewhere, I'm sure, that is saying, okay, so what hoops do I have to jump through to be a member?
I'd say it's probably a pretty good chance if you're listening to this station and you are an evangelical Christian ministry, you're probably in. There's two ways that a church gets in the door. Is number one, they do belong to a specific religious denomination, and we have a list of eligible Christian denominations that right off the bat, if you tell me you're a Calvary Chapel or an Assembly of God or an American Baptist church, you're already in. A lot of our churches are non-denominational churches, and what we do when they knock on that door is we say, hey, why don't you just send me a copy of your statement of faith or your statement of beliefs, and I'll match it up with ours and make sure that our beliefs match up with one another, and we can make them eligible that way.
I would just say to all those churches, and that's what I was getting at, you're going to qualify to be a member. You're going to love doing your banking from a biblical perspective too. One of the things that people get hung up on, Jeremy, well, what are we going to do? We don't have a Christian Community Credit Union building, within driving distance, and we can go make our Sunday deposits. What would you tell them?
Oh, yeah, great question. We're based out of California, but we serve churches all over the country. We use the remote deposit capture service, the ability to scan and electronically deposit checks from the convenience of your office. We have a full team of ministry development officers that are there to receive and serve these ministries with whatever their needs are. They don't call into our call center trying to find somebody to talk to. They know who their representatives are. Our job is to take care of these people and make sure that they're happy.
Folks, if you're a church and if you're thinking about your plans in the future, maybe you just want to make your banking easier to keep you focused on what's important, and that's sharing the gospel of Jesus Christ. Jeremy, we appreciate you so much. Thank you for being on the program, and we hope you'll come back, give us any updates, and we'll keep working hard.
Absolutely, my friend. Thank you, guys. God bless
you guys. All right,
out
thank
there.
you, brother. Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Great stuff. Christian Community Credit Union, folks. You can go to the website and find out. If you want to call them, I'll give you their phone number as soon as we get back.